Hey, we have an LMG at our disposal. He's back here.
This is what I said.
We need to get to that fence line.
We need to come in an angle.
Had yellow bands on.
Are you sure?
Yellow bands on our right
I
side.
hear up there. I hear up there.
Hey, got him. Directly in front of you.
All right, come on. Lay down, lay down, lay down.
Contact right there, straight ahead.
Hey, so you sit low, and get up to that hill, dude.
Thanks for the tape, brother.
Okay, we have some sort of...
Can you hit those guys all the way down there? They're off. Okay.
That's top 4?
Yeah, that's off. Can you get them? Where's our full taxi? Full taxi? Where's good? Where's good?
I'm going to have
Two down. Where?
Oh, I got him, I got him.
You can hit that guy.
Reaper, there's no mag in your pistol.
Watch out, Reaper. Reaper, watch out.
We're pinned down on the left side.
Got him. He's down.
There's no reticule, so I can't really confirm a hit or not.
How close?
Hey, watch out right there.
XL killed them all.
How close?
XLARGE got them all.
Is there any way we can move up?
Hey,
Friendly,
hey.
friendly.
Look right here across from us. These barrels right here. Was that friendly fire?
I don't think we have friendly advanced over here.
Watch your shit, Reaper. There's a dude to your left. They just shot Biz. Right here. Let's go.
to play at the towers. Hey, yo,
Really?
ref! Go Carter!
That guy used to play at the towers.
He's shooting this way.
He is.
You want me to go get him?
Give me a second.
Back out.
Yo, we're moving up!
Does any of one of you have smoke grenades?
Yeah. Grizzly does.
Dizzy!
You out?
Somebody go get that nade from
That's what happens, dude.
Guys, we're getting too complex. Do something.
Move up! Here, I'm moving up with a sniper rifle. I need some people to keep me covered so I can pick them off.
Not bad.
Here, guys, come on.
Yeah.
People, tree line, 3 people right in front of us.
Tell me that's not... Watch out! Watch out!
Across that hill, that's in here. There's the guy. Hey, Recon over here. XL. Hey.
They're all down. They're all down. Damn, that was 5 kills. Huh? Smoke that.
Okay, so just pull the pin up.
Yeah, well you slide the pin out. Reaper!
Get a good shot of his nose.
Where's Reaper?
Reaper, where you at? Reaper.
Alright, get up there with the smoke. And ask them where they need the smoke at.
Hey.
Reaper, where you at?
Not you, Reaper.
Huh? Keep going, keep going.
Where'd it go?
Yeah, we're trying to snipe these guys down this lane. Hey, there's enemy right here. So when you come across, just be mindful. Ready?
We got more people coming up from the front. Watch out.
Go ahead. Appreciate it. I killed all them dudes standing right there, dude.
They're all in that direction.
Yeah, I'm thinking this way, but we need to go back here, take that field. We got y'all wait. Like when y'all were in line, we were killing them. But now that we're punched up, we're all dying. You know what I mean?
Yeah, create some distance.
Huh? Then stay where you're at. Yeah, that's just all.
I gotta go back.
We're moving this way. Moving this way. Medic, I need. Hey, where's the medic? You need a medic on people.
Oh, sorry. It's alright. No problem. Look, we got 2 guys already.
Yep.
Well, I got you.
Well, I mean, it doesn't really matter. I mean, you shoot them a million times, they don't call it. It's just like, what's the point? You know what I mean? Like that one dude, you saw him, he was like standing in the open, he was like, ah, and then he just walked back like he's good, you know what I mean? Whatever. Come on.
I just do it so I can hop on.
Big. Big. Save your ammo.
Hey, we're out.
Yeah. You're out. Okay.
Bro, yeah.
Are you dead?
Oh, yeah. Oh, welcome to the swamp.
Vic, are you dead? Vic, are you dead?
Diz, are you down?
Vic, you're still alive? Okay. Medic! Hey, get them up.
How many we got?
Get on your stomach.
1, 2.
If you need to, drop your primary, take your sidearm and crawl up there. Hey, target, straight across the lane, straight down.
Eyes on him.
Right here, right here, right here, right here, right here. Straight down the lane.
Straight.
Left side. He's behind the tree, inside that cut of wood. See the bushes moving really hard right there?
Yeah.
Light him up!
Oh, we got people moving into the field right here. Our team.
Our team?
Our team.
Move up, tank!
Come on, come on.
Yeah.
Yeah, we have no.
Oh, shit, shit, shit.
I need both. Hey, I need you. I'm probably going to need you. Where's XLARGE?
I'm right here.
XLARGE. You have a sniper support right there?
Yes.
All right. Get down! Get down! Hey. Hey, we're moving up. Yeah. Get over here, man. You're getting this on video. Are we pushing this way? Where are we going? Let's take that entire middle. All right, y'all ready? I'm down. Hey, get up there. Get in there. No ammo though. No, punch it up when you get out in the field. Stay staggered. Stay staggered. Watch the tree line. Watch the tree line on your.
Hey, don't leave me behind. Y'all tell me if y'all are gonna leave.
It's all right. We got another sniper moving in for you. Coming in. So you good?
Yeah, I'm good.
Yeah, go ahead over there. Yeah, you want to There's Boggy. We got one on the hill. Behind the right hill. Right there,
Changing mags. I got it. He's behind the barrels all the way down, like 100 meters. I'm getting, yeah, 100 meters.
Can't reach that.
Yeah, most of y'all won't be able to shoot him.
Watch out for the barrel.
I got him suppressed, move up! I got him, he's down! Man, that was a long shot. You can see that?
Yeah.
Dude, that has to be like a record or something. He's down! Yeah, I'm good. Y'all let me know if I need to move up. I need to stay towards the wood side though, because I'm covering from the woods. Contact! He's down. Let's move. Come on, we got it. They left us. Get your mag, everything ready to go. I'm up here, I moved up!
On your left side. Jack, what do you see? Yeah. Which side? Copy that, copy that. Oh, hey, contact! Straight ahead, right side for you guys. Right side in the woods. Move up to this other side of the gap. Good job, guys. Keep it up.